Okay, so let's do review. So let's do a review on Wednesday. Yeah, so if you see Wednesday, we have if you see Wednesday, we have NFP, so Wednesday we have NFP. Basically, okay, NFP. So let's see what we done on NFP. Okay, or let's see what are the trades that can be taken during NFP. Okay, so this is the 15-minute chart. Yeah, so you can see, let's go to the 1 hour chart first. Okay, so on the 1 hour chart, yes, that's lotting. I understand. Okay, so at first we measured, like, let's do a review. Okay, so at first I measured here to here to get a premium, and the first CB in premium was the one above here. Okay, yeah, so at first I did this, measure from on top here down to the low. Okay, and then you can see the 0.5 level is right here. Okay, the 0.5 level is right here. So the first 1 hour CB in premium is this one, because this one is basically traded into already. Okay, we traded into it and go back down. Okay, so the first CB in premium right now is on top here, and this is basically the current new week opening gap, and under this yellow dot one, this is the current real new week opening gap. Okay, yeah, so there's really many things here. So, and as you can see, we cleared the buy side here. When we cleared buy side here, reach into the upper quadrant of the new week opening gap, and also the 1 hour CB in the premium of this dealing range. Then cleared buy side, then touch low upper quadrant and shoots lower to clear sell side here, and reach the daily volume imbalance, and the daily BC was in crosshair. So daily volume imbalance, daily BC was the target. This one. Okay, so it was this one. Okay, so basically it was this daily BC, which is pretty big from here to here. Okay, yeah, I know there's a lot of things here, so I'm gonna clear it out so you can see more clearly. Right? Oh, okay. So basically on daily chart, this is Monday. So we have a BC here, and we'll be going higher. Okay, so it's reasonable to expect retracement back to the BC. Okay, since we gap higher, we filled the gap. Then this is Monday, then basically Tuesday. So all along we are expecting a drawback inside into this daily BC. Okay, so this Tuesday, expect drawback in the daily BC, and before the daily BC, you're gonna see a daily volume balance, which is this tiny one here. Okay. Okay, so let's get the drawings back out. You understand that I've drawn it all before time. Okay, so this is the daily volume balance here. Okay, then this is the daily BC. Okay, all this can be deleted already. Okay, so yep. You can see on Wednesday we literally shoot all the way down, and I'm guessing this is probably during the NFP time. Okay, so if you measure from here up to here, you can see the C of the daily BC is right here. Yeah, why? Let's see if we have any. Nope, we don't have volume balance. So this is the daily BC. Here to here, basically is daily BC. Okay, and then if we get the quadrants out, you're gonna see something else. Okay, so basically it's the same. We shoot through the C of it, but we failed to reach the lower quadrant of it. So that's okay. So I'll remember 6373. Sorry, I'm going to remember 6372.5. Okay, that's the daily C of the BC. But I'm not going to draw it here. Okay, I'm just going to remember it in my mind. 6372.5. Okay, okay, draw again. Here to here. 6372. 6372.5. Okay, 6372.5. Then now we go to a 4-hour chart. Yeah, you can see this is basically the daily BC, and you reach down to where this is a order block. Okay, so this is basic order block, came down, touched the order block, and I'm guessing it's the upper portion of the 4 order block. Okay, if I measure here to here, so you can see we literally traded to the upper corner of order block, then rejected higher, clearing this 4-hour swing high that Nasdaq is above. Okay, and so right now at the moment Nasdaq is the one most firm. See, Nasdaq is above this 4-hour swing high, like crazy over. Like you see, so it's so firm to the upside, and Dow is basically doing what it wants. Okay, Dow don't want to follow at all. Yeah, so you can see there's so much difference between Nasdaq and Dow. S&P is following in with Nasdaq. So dollar, oh, dollar was going higher. So dollar went higher and cleared the buy side that we're aiming for. And basically aiming for this high. Dollar cleared it. Let's go to 15-minute chart. So this is basically a 1-hour CB premium, and you can see in 15-minute chart there's no fair value gap at all. So we usually when we see this kind of fair value gap, we don't expect it to be filled much. Okay, if the narrative is correct, then yeah, basically that's about it. You can see that. Yeah, you can see the contrast difference. So we clear buy side. Then it's the first presented fair gap. See how bodies respected it. Yep. Then basically, that's it for 15-minute chart. Nothing much to say actually. Then right now let's see Wednesday. Okay, Tuesday we have fair value gap trade over. Actually, this is a very good bread and butter setup. So then this 1-hour BC, why did I draw this 1-hour BC? I draw this 1-hour BC because this 1-hour BC is basically the only fair value gap, or you can say, and also because it is, I don't know, man, brain not functioning really well now. I feel a bit tired. Okay, fuck. Dozing off shit. So yeah. So basically we trade lower, trade through the daily BC high, trade to the Monday high, the AM buy side. Don't know what AM buy side is this. Then 0.75 level. Okay, is this may be one of ICTs. Okay, so this is Wednesday. You can see just all chop, all chop, all chop until PM session. I think we have a nice run. Okay, so let's check out the Wednesday session. Then I'm gonna close this because really tired already. So on Wednesday is during PM session, okay? AM session, yes, only the 1050 macro. So what I was seeing is that we got the buy side that is cleared here. Okay, buy side cleared. So you can see we just been going up slowly. And then the retail traders probably thinking, oh, it's still going up on doing the when is it gonna come down? Okay, give me confidence to go short. All those kind of things starts coming out. And then let's see, do we have SMT? Yeah, and it's right here. In 4 hour went above the swing high and he come back down. That's probably when he start about life. Shit, what the fuck am I talking about? Okay, so here we can see bicep is cleared. Okay, during PM session went up all the way, filled the new opening range gap, which is the real new opening gap. Then later turn shy. Then later don't move. Then suddenly during the PM session, boom. Okay, and next the one but the trend I go review is this 10-15 macro. Okay, so guys, so yeah, basically buy side was clear and price quickly went for the sell side. Okay, but left this Monday highs Monday lows open. Okay, that was I mean, like what I didn't like to see. Sorry, I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, okay, so you can see we reached the new week opening gap. I Jerry or somewhere. Oh fuck, man. Okay, so we cleared buy side here, form a Faraday gap, trace price straight into this Faraday gap, see this inversion Faraday gap. Yeah, so basically that's it for I don't know, I'm feeling me tired today. So that's it. So now I go back and see the 1050 macro. We're gonna see a 1050 macro close this live again. So here's where the buy sign is here. Enter this 1 hour CB. Okay, so this 1 hour CB. Yeah, I'm dozing off already. Fuck. So this 1 hour CB is basically here. Okay, so basically here the buy side here. And this is the 15-minute CB. Okay, so here you got 15-minute CB. So this is the 15-minute OCB that rejected lower here. So this CB is going to be really important. Okay. Okay, so let's just jump to a 3-minute chart. Okay, so we got fair value gap, but never offer any entry. This one we reached the end of already, so this one it won't be an entry. Too low in discount already. Not gonna sell when it's so low. So all balanced price range, but we got a breaker because you can see all this all balanced price range, guys. So we got a volume balance here. Here we got a BC inversion fair value gap, and we got breaker as well. So the breaker is probably gonna be yeah. So that's it. So one minute chart where I can enter is first of all when we close below this inversion fair value gap. No, this is market structure shape. Close below here at this candle, and it comes up in here. Here can be the first entry. So why to go on here 10-50 macro? Shit, screw wrong. No need correct mah. 10-50 macro. Buy side clear. This BC becomes inversion fair value gap. Wait for it. So we close below at this candle. Came up here. If you use limit order, you won't get filled, okay? And straight down. And then is this the important BC? Don't know, man. So this volume balance I can enter. Order block. Other than that, don't have entry for us until reach the end dock. So that will be the trade, the bread and butter setup. And yeah, that's really it. Let's go 3 minutes. Okay, that's it. I'm already really tired.